Hi everyone, welcome to Living the Home Life. It's a typical school day and I'm preparing idlis for Atar since he loves eating them. Here is the recipe to get super soft idlis. I'm soaking 3 cups of idli rava, 1 cup of urad dal, 1/4 cup of poha. Soak these for about 5 hours and you can add some spoon of methi seeds for more softness. Grind poha and urad dal, then squeeze out the water and add the rava to the grinded paste and mix it well. And let it ferment overnight. Make sure to keep something heavy on the lid so that it won't spill. In the morning, add some salt and soda to it. I'm also making some baked sweet potatoes for a school snack. I've already shared the recipe for it and I'll share the link in the description. It tastes so good, it is my favorite too. The coconut chutney into a mixie jar, adding 2 burnt chilies, coconut pieces, fried gram, coriander leaves, tamarind, jaggery powder, salt and grind it. To the tadka, adding some oil, mustard seeds, chana dal, urad dal and curry leaves and it's ready. I packed his lunch and the idlis turned out really soft. Today I have decided to clean the bag's wardrobe as I do have some time since the school has started. So I'm cleaning up all the bags and decided to organize as per the size of the bag. I've gotten rid of a lot of bags and I still have so many as I love bags. I have wiped the space and organized all of my tote bags and work bags at the bottom as I use them more often. Then I placed all the medium sized bags in the middle section as they are easy to grab when heading out. Then I'm adding mostly black and white sling bags into one section. I do have more of them. At the top section, I'm placing all of the occasional use bags as I don't use them a lot. This is how it has turned out. Maybe not very fancy, but it looks very tidy and easy to use. I'm heading to kitchen to prepare some lunch. I decided to make something tasty today. I'm preparing herb rice and pepper sauce veggies. It does take a little bit of time, but it turned out very tasty. In a pan, add some oil, chopped garlic, oregano, chili flakes. Saute it well and add cooked rice. Salt and mix it all together. And her herb rice is ready. You can add some coriander leaves, but I don't prefer it. For the pepper sauce, taking the same pan, adding some oil, onions, capsicum, tomatoes and cashews and roast it for a while and let it cool in a dish and grind it in the mixie jar. Then in the same pan, add some butter, little oil, fine chopped veggies. I'm adding carrots, capsicum, corn and sauteed it well. Then added the grinded paste. Add some water, oregano, chili flakes and then add some milk, salt and let it boil for a minute. Then turn off the flame, place 2 slices of cheese on top of it and cover it with a lid for a bit. It will melt in some time and then mix it really well and it's ready. Super delicious and just loved eating this. It is something new to try. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe for more such videos and I will see you in my next one. Bye.